So looking at the engine behind the making and constructionist learning theory, it's the design cycle. So with the design cycle, it's not just about students absorbing facts, but about building knowledge with the actual construction of student artifacts and projects in the classroom. So step one is brainstorming. So in this phase, it's not just about finding the right answer, it's about messing around and tinkering with ideas, doing some research. In Constructionism, we value the learner's interests. So this is a step where you can identify a problem or a passion, let ideas fly without judgment. You're really just setting the stage for student discovery. So next step, you're moving to prototyping. This is where the magic happens. You stop talking, start making with this step. You can use cardboard, you can code, you can use circuits, even online resources like Tinkercad has these, so you don't have to physically buy the materials. But prototyping is just really thinking with your hands, and it's kind of going back to the drawing board, trying different ideas. It turns abstract concepts into something that students can actually touch, see, discuss, and share with each other. So the third step is the testing phase. Does the project work? Does it break? Does it need assistance? Does it need to be retouched up anywhere? Just remember, it's important to reemphasize with students that failure isn't, it's not a bad thing. It's all part of the process. It's all helping with giving them data. The testing phase provides feedback, and this helps with their cognitive growth. So this is where you're looking for more that your model kind of meets, physical, realistic needs. So with step 4, this is refining. Now students are learning kind of how to put the finishing touches on things. It's really the heart of the cycle. So these are small tweaks, reinforcements, improvements to the design. This is not the rough, overall prototyping part. This is more so small revisions, taking that rough draft and kind of finalizing the idea. And finally, with facilitation, this is the last step. This is where your students are going to be able to present and share their results, share their project with others. As the educator, you're just kind of guiding them through this process. You're fostering the classroom environment where they can share with other students and hopefully learn from each other. And just a reminder, this design cycle doesn't have to be a linear path. Students might go back to prototyping after testing. They might even go back to brainstorming if they scrap the whole idea. It's really going to depend on your project and your assignment in class.